Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the Astoria slider widget from our Prime Slider plugin. Astoria makes a really cool slider widget with huge front graphics and a massive headline in the middle. This is one of the premium sliders having mesmerizing appearances and style. Let's see how this slider works. By default, the slider has a cropped image as the background. Let's change it by going into the slider section, clicking on a slider item and changing the image there. Change images for all slider items one by one for more preferences. From the layout section, you can adjust the height of the slider through the first scroll bar here. The content width is also adjustable by the second scroll bar. You can change the alignment of the content to make the slider match your whole landing page. There are a bunch of switches below. You can show or hide specific items from the slider by switching them. What's amazing is Astoria has a unique Read More button animation style available. The dynamic style will make the button appear around the cursor and rotate at the same time. The dynamic button follows the cursor everywhere on the slider, making it a special type of effect. Let's switch to static. For the slider items, you got a subtitle, title, title link box, button text, link and description. You can also change the image size to match the resolution of your needs. For the social links located on the middle left side of the slider, you can fully customize them by changing the title, link and icon. Lastly, you got a scroll down button at the bottom left corner that takes you away from the slider page if you click on it. Just paste the target section ID here and that's all. Moving on to the Style tab, in the first section you will find the option to apply an overlay on the slider using blends or background colors. Let's go for the background and select a color for it. Adjust the opacity of the overlay until it looks perfect. The bottom one is for changing the hover shape color of the slider that appears while surfing to the next slider item. Next, let's get into the title settings and change the color of the titles. Astoria slider also has the text stroke switcher for adding more twist in the title style. You can change the stroke width too. Then let's change the color of the subtitle. Do the same to the text from the next section below. For the static Read More button, you can change the button background color from the menu. The button goes yellow while the text goes black. Don't forget to add a hover color combination for the text and background. It will boost the user experience on your website more. Then, let's customize the appearance of the social link buttons. Make them the same yellow. Next, put same yellow color on the scroll down button, arrow and text too. For navigation, first change the active color to yellow and then change the hover color to white. For the record, there are more than 20 unique arrowhead styles available. Once you're finished, your Astoria slider is ready to show off. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Until next time.